Hey y'all. I know it's been a minute, but I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving and a great Black Friday. And for all the people that actually went out and did Black Friday shopping, kudos to you because I can't do it. I tried. I went out with my family that came over from California, Virginia, and Tennessee. I can't do it no more. I'm too old for my young age. But everyone is finally home. They're safe. I hope everyone had a safe and everything. I am here finally able to get my hair done. I can finally do my hair because I had my hair straight for too long and my hair needs a break. And you know, you got some good conditioner when you're just sitting here just waiting for the very last drop to finally get out. And I think I did because I am making my own DIY conditioner or deep conditioner, and yeah, my shit is going. It's done empty. I love this stuff. From the Silk Elements avocado one. Oh, I love it. I love their conditioner. I love their deep conditioner. I love their shampoo. I love this. And yeah, it's done. Like, it's done. Can you say that? Yeah, it's done. So, got my homemade mixer right here. I got some actual avocado in here. I can't do this left-handed. Some avocado, olive oil, honey, and now my avocado conditioner. Olive oil, no, sorry, it's olive conditioner with avocado and silk. Because my hair is straight right now and it needs to go back natural and curly. So I'm just going to mix this up. I'm going to shampoo my hair and put this lovely stuff on it. Do I really want to show you guys my hair? My hair is bad. So I put some, what did I put on it? My hair was trying to convert back in the middle of while my family was staying here, and I don't have time. Y'all know, when family's here, you don't have time to do stuff for yourself. So I put this got to be glue gel in my hair, and yeah, it says non-sticky, no flaking, and crazy hold. Well, got the crazy hold part right, but like, um, it's flaky. But it's also because I've been messing with it. So like this, yeah, I've been pulling chunks of got to be glue out of my hair this whole time, and I don't know. So this is what it's looking like. Nice and crazy. Yeah. That's what we like. We like nice and crazy. Sorry. But yeah, I'm just going to shampoo my hair. And I'm actually just ran out of Silk Elements shampoo. So I'm going to use Jamaican black soap. Or African black soap, sorry. I'm going to use African black soap because this is crazy. And this is all gel with some dandruff. I'm pretty sure. I'll be back in a minute. Alright. So now it's all washed out. My curls are coming back. No, I just got this part. Whatever. Be right back. Like, so I'm putting on here and you can barely even see it. I can definitely feel it. And apparently my hair is super freaking dry. And yes, those are avocado chunks. So I like to try to mesh it in there. Especially at the end. I wish I had like some music or something playing, but I don't think I'm allowed to have music on this. Even though this is TikTok. Don't know. My avocado. Oh. Like some people who likes to smell avocado, you should. You should just start doing your own. Oh no, my chunk avocado. You should just start doing avocado mask, and it smells so good. Oh yeah, and I put a little bit. I just put a little bit of jojoba oil in it. Oh, and it just so easily detangling my hair. That is so good. Oh, thank you, avocado. Can't forget my little chunks of avocado. Put that back in there. Put it back. Oh, so good. So good. Like, I'm just waiting for my kids or my husband to come in here, but like, what are you doing? Like, am I the only one? Like, you know how, ladies or gentlemen, whoever's watching this, you know how you like just do something for yourself and it looks crazy, and then your partner comes in and we're like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, I'm doing me. What do you think I'm doing? You know? So good. I don't know about y'all, but this is just so satisfying. Even though my chunks of avocado's dropping. But it's okay. It's okay. Nope, it just fell on my foot. It's not okay no more. Oh, I need to put it right here. Especially right here. Like, I get really bad dandruff, but they're like not regular dandruff. It's like you can peel it off like a freaking lizard, like I'm shedding dandruff. Oh yeah, you see my avocado chunks? Some shed hair, if I can grab it. Hello. I'm just dropping everything. It's cool. So I still have a lot. Sorry. I still have a lot left, and I'm putting this all over my hair. I don't care what y'all say. You'll be like, oh, that's too much. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's cold, and I live in a very dry, cold place. So I live in Indiana. So if anyone knows about Indiana weather here, it's dry. And like that little bit of humidity that we get during the summer is not enough. My hair still gets dry. My hair is like, oh yeah, it's so-called humid, and then the very next day you just suck the moisture out of my hair, my skin, everything. Oh, I need moisture. I can't wait. I want to move back to this house so badly. So badly. Like, y'all don't even understand. How the fuck did you get there? Y'all just don't understand. Now, I need to hurry up and pause this video before I run out of time, because I want you guys to see the end results of here. So, I'm just going to keep putting this in my hair, and then I'm going to put a plastic baggie on, and I'm going to go under a hair dryer. So, I'll be right back. So this is what I'm going to use for my hoodie dryer. That little Animax. I don't know how to say it. Animaniacs? I don't know. The things we do for our hair, I swear to God. I think the chin strap. I look so ridiculous. Alright guys, so I am all done with my deep conditioning and everything, and I diffused it, and this is how it looked. It is actually still wet right up here, and I think my blow dryer is finally like at its limit. Like, I just shut this off like not even 2 minutes ago, and it's like cold to the touch. So I think I need a new blow dryer. I have the Revlon for right now, but if you guys have another blow dryer that you recommend, please let me know, because I need a blow dryer ASAP. And if you want a full-fledged video of what I actually do, then you need to hop on my YouTube channel, because I'll do this next time. I need to start doing this every week. But here it is. It's nice and it's soft, and I messed up my shirt from the deep conditioner. But I love my hair. So much body. Have a great day.